Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, February 9th. After looking at the little sprouts, you know what we got to do. Come on, let's plant. Just like with anything else, you just pull your deep mulch back, get down to bare soil. We're not going to plant a lot today, but we're still going to plant. You can't look at baby sprouts and not want to get back in the garden. And look how nice that soil looks. So what are we going to plant? Well, of course, we got some more garlic. You can never have too much garlic. It's a little different variety than we had from the store. That's a soft neck. This is going to be a hard neck. So just like with the rest, you just kind of pull the bulb apart. You see it's already sprouting at the end of this bulb. Just like we did before. Just push it down into the ground. And that's how soft this deep mulch is. You know what? It looks like I got more row than I got garlic. What is a guy to do? Let's put some onions in. The bag didn't say if these were long day or short day onions. It really doesn't matter. Onions do really well in the winter. They do really well in the summer. Plant as many as you want. You can come out and harvest them all year round. If you really don't care about how big they are, you can come out and harvest them as you want them. We have some up front that we're storing still from last year. We come out and pick one every once in a while. And they're very, very tasty. These will be really nice in the spring. Now we will plant several more sets of onions across the garden. I can't think anything better to plant in the dead of winter out in the middle of the garden than some onions. And some garlic. Maybe some beets. And since we are going to get quite a bit more frost, I'm going to go ahead and mulch these a little heavier than I normally mulch. And that's all there is to it. Yeah, I got a little excited. You see those sprouts? You get a hankering to plant. What better thing to do on a Wednesday afternoon than put in a set of onions and another set of garlic? Well, I do want to thank you for stopping by and helping me. And remember, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.